Hey, happy Valentine's Day. You know what I love other than my wife and my family? Getting things done. Today I was working with a client and she had 5 things that she needed to get done. She's busy running her business. And the key question that she had was, how do I know what to do first? So here's how we broke it down. First, she's got a task where she's got to track her information, look at some recent data. I said, let's capture that now while it's fresh, while you remember what's going on. This is going to be important in the long term. It won't take a lot of time. We can get it done, and then you're going to be able to make better decisions that are going to be really important for your business. Let's get that done first. Second was working on a task to finish her to manage her inventory. This is important because it's going to improve her expenses now, so she's not buying the wrong things and not running out of things. She runs out of things, it impacts her customers. So we want to do this relatively significant task that was going to directly impact her bottom line and her customer experience. Next task is about the same amount of effort, but it's creating a new form to improve her proposals. She's got a proposal process now. It's working, but we wanted to get that better. Well, this is important because it's going to change the long term growth of the business, but it wasn't as urgent as changing the short term cash flow. It was also a significant task. So we did that. Then you had another throw in task. We did that. It's about setting up a new employee in the system. The new employee doesn't start for 2 weeks. So I'm like, okay, let's get that done. Let's get that out of the way. It's going to take a few minutes, but then you're going to have that ready when you need it. And then we had the last task is the meatiest task. She's getting ready to convert over to QuickBooks. So she's have to set up her profile. She's gonna have to do some bank information that's going to be detailed and it's going to have to be accurate. I find it's not good to do those types of tasks when you have a lot of things weighing on you because you go too fast and you make mistakes. You want to do something like that when you have a little bit more time to slow down. She can set up her business properly. She can set up her banking information. She can import her customers. She can update her products and services, which, by the way, is part of that proposal she did in the third step. So that's the way we broke down the task. Let me ask you, how do you do it? How would you break down your task? For me, each situation is a little bit different, but the process is very, very common. I always want to look at what's the effort, or what's the deadline, what's the effort, what's the priority, what's the payback. I balance those things out and then I figure out what's going to happen. And if something happens between today and tomorrow and I haven't gotten those other things done, I can reprioritize, but at least I have a plan of attacks that I can go get. I can put it on my calendar and I can make it happen. So, you want to talk about how to do that for your business? Just reach out to me, give me a call, and we'll sit and talk about your business. Remember, now's always the time to get into action.